LED matrix panel. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 52.5 inches and a depth of 7.5 inches. The matrix panel is lightweight material that can be attached to any surface to project the images that you would like. And within the panel are tiny LED beads that will project those images. By downloading the app on your phone, the images can be controlled and be projected by this remote control. The remote control will have features such as different types of animations, brightness, timer, and much more. Also included will be a USB port, along with 3 adhesive strips. Additional information will be instructed on this pamphlet. Connection required will be a standard USB port that hooks up through this adapter. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.